Hello mates, this is Captain Jack tuning in, and in this series of videos we'll be seeing how we can create a component in Proteus. So as you can see, there are three components listed over here. First of all, this is the ESP controller, then this is the Arduino Nano, and this one is the Arduino power jack. These three components are not available by default in the Proteus libraries or Proteus component libraries over here. So how did I make them available for my use? So first of all, I would like to tell you that there are specific sites that have made it possible so that we can find the libraries, the PCB designs, the layouts, and the CAD models easily. So first of them is the Samaxis. As you can see, this site has various supports of libraries. It has PCB libraries, 3 components, and so on. We can see that it also shows the steps of how we can import these libraries in our specific software that we are using. It supports Altium, it supports Eagle, it supports KiCad, and so on. So we can also use this for Proteus as well. Then another site is the Ultra Librarian. Even here we can find some other products which may not be available on the first site that I had shown. Even this site supports various libraries, and over here also we can see uh, where we can see the how we can import these libraries in our software. And finally we have the Snap EDA. This is my favorite one. It has almost every part, but one major disadvantage of all these three sites is that it has all the parts available for Proteus versions 8.8 and above. uh, in this site and the Samaxis, I had seen that it has files for 8.7 and below versions too, but I will show you a better way. We can make connectors like this DC jack, nano connector, and node MCU v3. In this series of videos we'll see how we can make a component, how we can make a PCB design, and we can attach these two, and also we can add a CAD file by adding the external CAD file from the website. So stay tuned fellas, this is going to be interesting.